Here we are, Tombstone at night. We are on our way to a ghost tour at the Birdcage Theater. It is a bit eerie out here. All the stores are closed up, just some lights on. Don's got an EMF reader going on already. And let's see what we get picked up. It's going to be a perfect night for this. There's a bit of a wind. It kind of adds to the eeriness of it all. There's a couple places open. Like Big Nose Kate's is open. Yeah, we got another place across the street that's open. Some of the famous ones though, Longhorn. Wish it was open, but it's closed. Should we wander in the cemetery tonight after the ghost tour?
No, I'd be too tired. Tomorrow.
Okay, maybe tomorrow. It's funny, we've been here a while now and I haven't even noticed that Hangsman noose up there. What a night though, what a beautiful night and a crazy night to be doing a ghost tour. So these are the rooms where the ladies will entertain. Bullet holes all through the ceiling. A lot of bullet holes. Now, a lot of the stuff was in here when they uncovered this, as I mentioned earlier, so I'm sure they moved a lot of artifacts in, but a lot of the tables and furnishings were original from when this place was hopping back in 1881. I bet if you had a black light, this room would light up. Can I put that in our video? Who's gonna get the reference? Oh my gosh, okay. What is that? Anyone's in here wants to say anything, go right ahead. All right, let's see if I can say what was that when I get home after this walkthrough. Okay.
All right, so welcome everybody to the Birdcage Theater's nightly guided ghost tour.
Say something to us.
Mommy. What did you say one of those names?
Joshy?
Joshy, are you here? Are you looking for Mommy?
That might be one of the young girls. We have Tess and Sally here as well.
Oh, I'm a Sally.
How are you?
Sally, are you here? Are you looking for Mommy? Oh, interesting. I just had my hand touched.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
Was that somebody moving or was that something behind y'all?
Behind us.
That's what I thought. Whoever's back there, thank you for joining us. We do appreciate you coming down.
Are you looking for your father?
Anybody else seeing a shadow on the far side of the room?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've seen it twice.
Okay. I'm like, I keep seeing somebody over there in that corner.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining us. You can come closer. We're not going to hurt you. I know we didn't get a whole lot of activity, but we've had some activity. People talking on the little voice box there, footsteps behind us, things like that. The shadow across the room.
Mm-hmm.
If anybody didn't get acknowledged that was looking to get some attention, I do apologize. We are not trying to ignore you.
No, the shadow was over there.
I did, I saw a shadow.
Twice.
Now, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what I might have seen. There was could have been a reflection from up there. When this all started, did you, tug? You didn't tug on me.
Oh, when she said about teasing her.
No, not that. Yeah, no, I know. That was obviously you.
All
It
right,
was before
folks,
that.
thank you
Did
so
you
much
tug
for
on my
joining
sleeve?
me. If I can get you to make your way to the
Okay.
lobby,
Yeah.
I'll do a head count and then I'll
I
unlock the
felt a
doors.
very distinct
Gift shop
tug.
is open. If anybody wants to do a little shopping before you leave, that's fine.
Okay, I thought, but I didn't want to say anything until afterwards to see if, I mean, it was It was obvious. It was an
Yeah.
obvious tug on my sleeve, on my elbow.
You know, if you could get it out of the building, you could still drive her down the street to this day.
Okay, well, so when things started, I just want to break this clear one last time. You did not tug on my
I
sleeve.
did not tug on your sleeve.
Okay, it was very distinctive. It was an
I
obvious
smacked you when
tug.
she said don't.
Well, yeah,
Roll.
and I knew that was you smacking me, but before then, I felt a very distinctive tug.
And then I got touched on my hand right here.
Yeah.
It was very definite.
And I was not moving. It wasn't an
Well, it's interesting
imagination.
because I think the fact that she was asking us, we felt like it was just a
Yes.
that we can say
All right, well,
Oh, yeah.
it's there.
Yeah, I mean, I've been not on the ghost tour.
evening for sure.
There are more spirits in there, but not the spirits that we were looking for. All right, it's coming back on. Dawn tried to video this on her phone because my camera went dead, but it's back up now. As we were walking down the street, just talking, and I mean, I'm the skeptic, right? I'm the skeptic. I just had another, what was that moment? We're just talking, just casually talking, walking down the street, and suddenly I got this incredible cold chill. I got goosebumps standing up all over my arm, and I glanced over and realized we were walking by Big Nose Kate's saloon. Now, Kate actually had a saloon, and on Dawn's little spirit box thing, the name Kate popped up. Let's do it this way so you can see me. The name Kate popped up, and it was right as we were walking by Kate's saloon that I got that chill. So, and that my camera went dead all at the same time. So I am still kind of a skeptic, but not so much anymore. That was a weird experience. But we're right out here in front of Big Nose Kate. And you can't see it here, but I don't see anything. I don't feel anything. But I don't feel anything right now.
No, there's nothing here right now.
I don't feel it right now, but a moment ago, it was extremely strong. We're out here on the street. There's only a couple of places open. And it is creepy. I know that I was joking a lot before. I'm not joking with you anymore. Please do not follow me home. This isn't like the hitchhiking ghosts or anything from Haunted Mansion.
We'll never follow you home.
Oh, they said never?
Never.
Oh my gosh, hold on. I said don't follow me home, and it said never.
Never.
Okay, I'm getting chills again.
Okay.
Okay, are you talking to me? I don't see anyone else out
Are
here.
you talking to Steve here?
Are you talking to me? I don't see anyone else out here. You talking
Who
to me?
else is out here?
Are we going to get anything else on here?
Maybe, maybe not. It's hard to say.
Okay, I guess it's got quiet again. If it says anything, you let me know. What is
Told. They already told us. They told us good night.
I'm going home now. I'm going home and cuddling up with my dog. If I hear any if I hear any gunshots, I'm running. Okay? If I hear anything. Sorry, don't mean to scare you guys, but yeah, you're freaking me out right now.
Coming up on the OK Corral. Is anybody here with us? Okay.
The okie dokie corral. What?
Wow.
Uh,
You said you were gonna run.
You want to see me run? Wow! Wow! You took my line. My line was going to be wow.
We're gonna say goodnight now.
You can stay here. We're going to keep going, okay?
Axe?
Axe. Okay, I'm out of here. We got an axe murderer on our hands. Okay, who's got an axe? I'm gone. All right.
Okay.
I'll get into the light so you can see us. Go to the light.
No,
Go to, sorry. Okay, once a troll, always a troll,
I already had
okay?
a crossover.
All right.
So-
Okay, still trolling. Yeah, it was creepy. So we're done.
We're done for tonight.
I'm going to go hug Atka and go to bed. Well, it's bad enough. He freaks us out too. We'll take him out for a walk and he'll just stare at nothing. It's like he knows.
That's
He
your
knows.
doggy.
And he's doing his best to freak me out too.
TV. She's got TV.
My dog is a troll too. Okay, well, good night. See you in the morning. All right, we are here at Boot Hill.
Yeah.
Now, Dawn has the map. What we've discovered is that some of these grave sites are real and some of them are not. And this graveyard went into disrepair and they lost a lot of the markers, but they did great extensive research to figure out who was buried where, but there are still some fake markers up and there are a lot of real ones. So what a grim place to end this video.
Boot Hill and Tombstone.
Yep, we were basically going to end this Boot Hill adventure here.
It was great fun. We had a blast.
Absolutely.
So many wonderful things.
So go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscription button and
hit that bell. It'll let you know when we post every Sunday at
2 o'clock, and thumbs up for good measure.
Don't forget, we have our website now.
ourroadtocamelot.com. Also Facebook and
Instagram.
Right, got it. So anyways, make sure you follow us and we will see you in the next video.
All right.
Safe travels.
Sláinte.